In this episode, I will show you the 4 best protective cases for GoPro Hero 11. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Let's get started. On number 1, we have GoPro Protective Housing Case. It is rugged and waterproof right out of the box, but this housing handles anything you can throw at it. It protects from dirt and flying debris, and it's waterproof down to 196 feet 60 meters for deep water diving. Includes a skeleton back door for improved audio capture and easy access to the camera's touchscreen. Protects GoPro 11 from mud, dirt, and debris during extreme activities. A flat glass lens makes for sharp, high-quality images above and below water. On number 2, we have Fitstill Silicone Case. The silicone case perfectly fits the GoPro Hero 11 black camera frame to achieve seamless installation and precise accuracy. A safety rope is hung on the silicone sleeve to provide more protection for the camera. With the replacement side cover with a small side door, it is easier to charge. It can prevent dust and splash water stains from entering the camera. However, after installing this side cover, it should not be used directly in the water. Premium silicone protective case protects your Hero 11 from scratches without adding extra bulk. Side open design allows you to charge the camera while recording for extended run times. On number 3, we have Gurmoyer metal case. The case comes with a 52mm UV filter, but you can also mount other filter lens or polarizing lens of diameter 52mm lens with this case. Bottom screw holes with adapter allows to mount the protective case with monopod, tripod, bike mount or other kit. It comes with aluminum alloy back door. Your GoPro camera will be more safety during high-velocity sport or daily using. No more worries about your GoPro camera will falling out. You can just enjoy your shooting time. It comes with integrated top and side cold shoe design. You can mount a flash, video light, microphone on this case, less installation steps, more convenient. Sides open design allows to change battery or connect HDMI and USB ports cables quickly. On number 4, we have Fitstill 60 meters waterproof case. This waterproof housing case with upgraded waterproof sealing ring and tight buckle that help avoid water leakage effectively. You can use your GoPro to record underwater activity deep to 60 meters without worrying about leaks, and it also won't damage the shooting effect, clear and vivid. Waterproof up to 60 meters, ideal for diving, surfing, snorkeling, and other water sports activities. Delivers maximum image sharpness above and below water. So these are some of the best protective cases for GoPro Hero 11. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.